how to fix no SIM card or SIM card failure on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Is your iPhone showing that dreaded no SIM card or SIM card failure message? It can be super frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, we're going to walk you through several effective ways to fix this issue. So first things first, what you can do is swipe down from the top right and access the control center and then toggle on the airplane mode. So this is the quickest fix and often works wonders. You can toggle it off after a few seconds. This refreshes the network connectivity. Now, next thing is you can head over to your settings and then go to mobile service. Now, if you find the option for update, then tap on update. And then finally, you'll need to manually try to remove and reinsert your SIM. So your SIM tray is on the left side, and this is classic for a reason. And you'll need a SIM ejector tool, and this helps to fix most of the issues. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.